done a book in unison, then you need to go to harmony next. This is an after publication as well, online access to the digitals. What I appreciate about this book is that they just took 10 chorals that started with unison singing, and they talk about how to work on the techniques behind the choral itself, but it's just unison chorals. And then they gradually add chorals that start doing things like an ostinato on top, then another choral that has maybe partner songs to it, and then easy harmony that's above. They give, let's see, what are the categories? Unison singing, 2 chorals for that. Echo singing with a call and response, 2 songs for that. Rounds and cannons, 2 songs for that. Partner songs, 2 songs for that. And 2-part harmony songs. All right, now here's the deal. These are actual chorals. So if you've got a limited budget or no budget, and you wanted to have some chorals for a group, these songs, once you buy the book, they're yours to print, to make available for your choirs. There is a recording that's available for each. There are teaching techniques and background information about the songs. So you're going to have 10 songs that you can use that help build the harmony. Let's hear them. They're from different composers. This first one is a Greg Gilpin one called Sing Your Song. We won't do it all, but you've got to do your recordings. The next one that's in there, we're not going to do it, but it's the one that turns into a round. So really great arrangement by Sally Albrecht. The whole thing where they can sing it unison first and then they break into the round on the second half of it. And then one by Dave and Jean Cary called Sing a Jubilant Song. Do a little bit of that one. You may recognize this. Smart idea, putting those together like that.